In this tutorial, I'll go over how to pre-register guest access to the Leidos Guest Wi-Fi network. First, from the Prism homepage, select IT Services. From here, you'll select Wi-Fi Services, and from the Wi-Fi Services homepage, you'll select Pre-register your guest. On this screen, you'll have to log in using your Leidos network credentials. So I'll log in here. Once you're logged in, you're going to pre-fill out all the guest information you have on the user who's going to be using the guest Wi-Fi. So I will pre-fill out myself as a guest user. Fill out the full name and the company name. You'll obviously put the company from which your guest is coming from, but I will just put test. Fill out your guest's email address. I will just put my personal email address here. Under account activation, you can select when you want the account to be activated. I will assume most people will use now, but you can also select a time when you want the account to be activated. You also need to select when you want the account to expire. You can select anywhere from 1 day to 1 month. You'll also be given the guest password, and you're going to want to choose 0 for the timeout. You're also going to want to say that you are the sponsor for this account, so when your guest goes to log in, their login username will be their email address, and the password is given to you. Once you hit create, the account will be active, and the guest will be able to use the Wi-Fi.